Our life has a great deal of movement. We can easily go rushing from one place to another. It may seem like our day-to-day life has a steady stream of challenges. We all meet those challenges differently. We know that a perfect day can sometimes take an unexpected turn.
Right there on the app.
And our responses to stressful situations vary from person to person. When our brain receives messages that say things might not be going so well, we can begin to be overwhelmed. We can think of our brain as being made up of three main parts. The first part is the brainstem, or what has been called the reptilian brain. Next is the limbic system, or what has been called the mammalian brain. And finally, the prefrontal lobe, or the Homo sapiens brain. Our reptilian brain handles our vital body functions, like our breathing and our heart rate. When our midbrain perceives a sudden change as a threat, we go into fight, flight, or freeze mode. Our response is activated by the amygdala in our midbrain, the threat perception center of our brain. All of these responses are natural responses to stress. Some of us answer stressful situations with a fight response. Some of us flee when we experience challenging times. Other people might freeze when faced with stress. A number of things can happen in our brain when we are confronted with stress. We do our best to cope with our challenges. Consistent, trusted relationships and a calming environment can help people feel safe and soothe the amygdala to potentially regain access to the thinking brain. When we are stuck in the amygdala, we can benefit from looking for people
This is amazing.
that can help us get out of those types of stress-induced responses. We can also learn to help ourselves. Simply being present, calm, and observing our emotions in a non-judgmental way is sometimes the best thing you can do. Positive self-talk can also help in a time of crisis. It is helpful to remember that stress is a normal part of life, and that we can also develop a toolkit of skills to help us get to a better place.